Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, well, you know, every time I say ladies and gentlemen, for the last few days, I've been thinking like, I don't know if you guys heard this, but Disney is not doing, they're not saying boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, or anything like that. They're calling everyone dreamers now, because apparently it's offensive to say ladies and gentlemen, or boys and girls. Anyways, just had to clarify what was going through my mind. We got a very, very, very nice email from someone named Ian. Ian, I'm just going to stop right here. Let's read this email. And for those of you who send me emails, I know I'm getting to them. I believe I responded to almost everyone saying I will get to this week. I'm trying to get to the emails. But, okay. I just made this video earlier today, and it was kind of negative. It was about this MSNBC article calling extreme people who are what do you call it? Enthusiasts, fitness enthusiasts, far-right extremists. I just finished that video. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna post it because it's just such bullshit. It's so stupid. But anyways, I film a lot of videos and then I end up not posting them. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna share something positive. So Ian sent me a message. Hey Tanner, first off, I just want to thank you for all the content that you put up. I have been working on my business for the past year and a half. You inspired me to start a landscaping business about a year and a half ago. It was something that I had been thinking about for a while, but after hearing your story on how you funded your business by doing Doordash every single day and making $70 a day, I had the, I think that's a typo. I think he was saying I had the mindset to go, anyways, I had the mindset to go and start my own business and get it off the ground. We just recently passed $50,000 in revenue in our first year of business, and I just hired a part-time employee. Thank you so much for your content, and hopefully we can meet up one day. Yes, we will meet up one day. He says he is from St. George, Utah. That's not too far from here, actually. It's only like an hour away. I want to eventually move to St. George, I think. I don't know. Zion's so cool, though. But thank you. Like, if anyone, I love that, you know? Like, that's one thing that makes my day, is seeing people, the comments below, and people telling me I inspired them and helped them, and all I can do is share my story with you guys, you know? Sometimes my advice might be good, sometimes it might be bad, and I just haven't figured it out yet. But I'm always going to be honest with you guys and try to give you guys the best option, the best advice that I possibly can. But anyways, so let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys have your own businesses? Have you started your own like new side hustles? What are you guys doing? What is it that you guys do? Let me know in the comments down below. I just finished doing my taxes yesterday. Had to file for 6 different businesses. Have to do because I made videography when I film like commercials for Razor. Technically have a videography business. My Doordash business, I don't know, it's weird because it's not really a business, but it kind of is on paper. My stunt show, my YouTube channel, my footwear company, obviously. What was the one that I missed? Never mind. Hold on. It looked like that guy was about to punch him in the face. He was about to go straight Will Smith on him. But I think they were just messing around. I thought I was about to film a fight right now. Getting distracted. What were we talking about? Anyways, but I love seeing like the comments from you guys saying that like I helped you and all that stuff. So if I have helped you, let me know in the comments down below. And let's just be positive. Let's try to spread positivity. Earlier when I was filming that video on like the extreme far right stuff, as I finished I was like, I don't feel good about that video, you know? I want to only be spreading positivity. And I just generally, because I read so many negative YouTube comments, and like I don't know what it is with people and them wanting to like write out negative comments about stuff. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Why do you, what, does it make you feel better that you're going out and trying to tear someone down? I don't know. So just spread positivity. And then, you know what's funny is people get mad. I'm just like talking to myself. This is the most interesting business I've ever had. Talking to myself in the car. What was I talking? Oh yeah, people get mad at me for deleting their negative comments. And I'm like, wait, why would I leave up a negative comment? Like, especially if it's just out of the blue. If there's some like feedback to it that the audience can learn from, like maybe I say something like, I don't know, maybe I say something controversial or something like that, and someone has a very valid argument or something. Maybe we're talking about the V word or something, you know, the V word thing that you put in your arm, and someone has a very valid argument. I'm gonna keep it in there, you know. But if it's just negativity, like, I don't know, I just delete that kind of stuff. I try to keep all negativity out of my life, and I've been trying to just, I don't know, just try to keep, I don't know, especially when you watch a lot of politics and stuff, and sometimes I go down a freaking political rabbit hole and stuff. Like earlier I was watching politics, and I was like, what am I doing? This is ruining my day. Like, it's not a good way to live your life, listening to politics and stuff, you know. It's just negativity, and it doesn't matter what side you're on. The other side, like, whatever news, if you're watching Fox News, it's negative towards liberals, and if you're watching MSNBC or CNN or something, it's negative towards conservative. And it's like, why? I don't know. So, I don't know. Today's video is just to spread the love, everyone. Spread the love. Reach out to someone who maybe is going through a bad time. Talk to them. Post some positive YouTube comments on some, like, smaller pages. You know who has a shout out? Hannibal. I actually just watched one of his videos earlier today. If you guys don't follow Hannibal is Hungry, he has a very, very good YouTube channel, and he puts a lot of editing work into his videos. I love the production that he makes. Significantly more effort than what I put into my videos, because I just ramble and freaking drive my car to the gym. Hannibal full on edits his videos. There's overlaid voice and all kinds of stuff. So shout out to Hannibal is Hungry. If you guys haven't yet, go follow him. He has got a very good YouTube channel. And then just support any of your, like, small businesses, and, like, if you can, support small businesses. Try to avoid going to, like, McDonald's and big corporations. If you're gonna order something, maybe go, instead of going and buying it off Amazon, go and buy it at a local convenience store or something, you know? I don't know. Support small businesses. Be positive. I think those are the kinds of some of the best things we can do as a human being to make our society a better place. But anyways, I just wanted to put out a positive message, because I almost put out a negative message today, and I was like, you know what? There's no place for negativity anymore. No more negativity. Yep. Alright. With that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully everyone drives safe, makes that money. Yeah. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.